Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Periwinkle from Tinkerbell on Just to Impress. I'm going to be removing everything except for accessory adjustments. Select this hair and I colored it this color and no bangs. And then select this hair in only bangs, position the Y to 0.47. And that's it. And then I am going to get this outfit here in this color C0E6FF, and all of the colors the same. And then I'm going to get this dress over here. Wait, hold on, where is it? This one in the same blue color. And then I'm also going to add these skirts here, just to cover the pants. We're going to be using this one in this color. Should I even add the Ella skirt? Because it does cover the pants. I think I'm not going to do that actually. Then I'm going to get the Valentine's Day heels in this color and in white. Oh, oops. In this color 8DC3BC and in white. And then for the wings, you can opt for a VIP wing or not. It's totally up to you. Obviously, I'm just going to color it this light blue color. You can do bigger, animated, whatever you want. And I'm just going to add the elf ears. I forgot to add them for like a few of my fairy outfits, but obviously this is optional. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.